How to cancel one item on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your item in your Temu account. For example, you have purchased some product in your Temu account and then you want to cancel your order. So in order to cancel the order, you need to first buy the order from the Temu account. For example, I want to buy this particular product that I have put in my cart already. So just click on checkout and complete your checkout process while entering your payment method details, and just click on submit order. And once your order is placed, you just have to come to the profile section from the top right corner, and over here in the your order section, you will be able to see different options like all order, proceeding, shipped, delivered and returns. So basically, in order to cancel your order in your Temu account, you need to make sure that your order has been shipped as of now. If your order has been shipped, that means you won't be able to cancel your order from there, because then you have to wait till your order get delivered to you. Then you can go ahead and raise a requirement for return. But if your order is still in processing, then you will be able to go ahead and cancel that particular order, but not when your order get shipped. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your order in your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.